Yesterday, President Mnangagwa inaugurated a milling enterprise situated in Tinwood, Harare, owned by Champion Foods Private Limited. This milling facility is poised to revolutionize the food sector, boasting a capacity to process 500 tons of maize and 200 tons of wheat daily. The president expressed confidence that the entry of Champion Foods Private Limited would alleviate the rampant price hikes witnessed in essentials like mealie meal and other basic commodities. Notably, Wicknell and other affluent associates were in attendance at the event. The festivities included joyful dancing by women to mark the commencement of operations at the milling company. Today, Wicknell Chivayo took to his social media platforms, urging DJ Massamir to escort the women who showcased their exceptional dancing skills during yesterday's celebration to visit Madzababa Chipanga. He instructed DJ Massamir to retrieve a gift consisting of a Toyota Aqua and an additional $2,000 for one of the women who particularly impressed him. Furthermore, Wicknell advised that if the recipient lacks a driver's license, she should initiate driving lessons immediately with the intention of collecting her car in 2 weeks' time.